Welcome to Wolfe Cadillac. Today we'll be looking at this 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT Premium Plus. This vehicle comes in octane red pearl exterior color, 4-door minivan, seats 7 in a black interior color, carrying a 3.6 liter V6 engine with a 6-speed automatic transmission and an all-wheel drivetrain. Going into the front of the vehicle now, you have your heated side mirrors, power side mirror and power window controls with your window lock. You can also open your third row windows. Speaker and storage spaces down at the bottom. Door panel comes in a black leather with a white hard plastic. Both front seats are in a black leather and black fabric. Driver's seat is powered. Black leather wrapped steering wheel. You have your voice recognition and menu selection. Volume control just behind with your cruise control to the right of the right side of the steering wheel. You have your gear shifter just up top. This vehicle is a key to start, foot down on the brake. Analog front dash with a digital speedometer. This vehicle comes with maps, as well as a backup camera. AM FM radio with Sirius XM capabilities. You have your CD and DVD player load in. USB and auxiliary just to the right. Underneath you have your manual climate control for the front and rear of the vehicle. Eco mode with your power bank, traction control, storage compartment just underneath. Lots of storage spaces as well with extra power banks, 2 cup holders. Center console rolls back, gives you your coin change holder. Rear view mirror. Up top you have your left and right rear door controls, as well as your rear trunk access. Sunglass compartment with a mirror to check your second and third row passengers. Sun visor with your vanity mirror for the driver's side as well as the passenger side. Handle grip on the passenger side of the vehicle. Making our way around the left-hand side of the vehicle now. We'll start off with the 17-inch Dodge rims on winter tires. Color matched side mirror and handle grips. You have your gas tank. Chrome badging along the vehicle. Rear parking sensors with backup camera and rear wiper blade. You have a little bit of a step there. Lots of storage space with a little compartment to the left with your tire jack just in underneath. Access to the 60/40 split rear seats. You have your straps here to give you the sequence to fold your seats down. So you have your first, second, third, and then you would just pull this back so you can lay down longer items, and you would follow the sequence in reverse to bring your seat up. You have your power closing button to the left. Going into the rear of the vehicle now, you have your black leather and black fabric rear seats. They're in the captain's chairs setup with 2 armrests for either seat, foldable rear seats, netted magazine holder at the rear of both front seats, climate control up at the top with your video player, overhead lighting and handle grips with air vents above your head. Door panel comes in a black and white hard plastic. You have your handle grips and power buttons to close and open your door. Cup holders just down at the bottom of the door panel as well. This vehicle also comes with a set of carpet mats as well as rubber mats for the front and third row seats. Going around the right hand side now, you have chrome trim along the bottom of your windows, roof rails, you have your antenna just in front of the front passenger seat, bug deflector with a black grille with chrome accents, fog lights down at the bottom. You have a couple buttons here on your remote start. So your command start is on the right, rear trunk access on the left with your powered rear doors down at the bottom for either side. If there's anything else you'd like to know about the vehicle, check us out on our website at wolfecadillac.com or visit us at our dealership here in Edmonton, Alberta over on Stony Plain Rd. As always, thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.